called in the other database, we're going to call it the same thing in this database. So we're going to use our existing field. You with me? If, for example, we have something that we do have named, and for some reason we didn't name it with provider, we can go, no, I don't want. I want to identify a different field that this is going to be. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so that being done, I'm now going to import the template, and that's really all there is to it. I've imported it. Now, by the same token, if I have a template that is in one database and I want to move it over to another database, I hit the export function, and that basically exports that template. By the way, when I say template, if there's any Word documents associated with it, those come over as well. So that's that. Okay?
So you're saying the Word documents automatically come over with the template, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
They do. What was that template that I just brought in? I wasn't paying attention. What was the name of it? What was it? It started out with PUL?
Yes. Here, I can go to.
Well, I'll tell you what.
I'll tell you what it is.
It was CPATF fitting.
PULMONARY. Pulmonary.
No, it was this one. CPAPF fitting, right? And when I did the preview, I'm not going to import this again. It was this, right? And the type was CPAP. So I did not import that. This was the document that I imported. Now the one thing I forgot to do is I actually created my own category called, I thought I had, because I thought I'd done one other for this one. That was a sleep thing, right? What I'm really going to do is I'm going to go back here to my template types.
Pulmonary sleep templates. What you called it?
But I don't have one. I haven't created one on my database, right?
Okay.
So now I'm going to go back to that note template. The system didn't know really where to put it. This is what I brought in, okay? I'm going to change the type to pulmonary and sleep and save it. And then when I go back to import my next one, which came from that same practice, I'll put it all under here, under pulmonary and sleep. Okay? Because for me, it's the specialty. For them, they called it something else. You with me? Okay. The last thing I'm going to show you is the mid-mark stuff. Now, I'm not going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that on my C drive, I unzipped that file. I went through Steve's information that he sent on how to download that stuff. You all got that, and someone other than me can show you how to unzip that, etc. And I actually I unzipped it to a folder which I named Midmark. This is what unzipped from it. Are you with me? When I unzipped everything, this is what unzipped. The .car files are the files that you want to actually associate or import. So if I go back into my application, I'm going to go to someone's chart. I'm going to go to where it says Upload Document. I'm going to choose what folder I want to put this in. I'm going to browse to it. Remember, it was under the Midmark folder. And I want the things that are the .car files. So I'll just, you want the spirometry one? Spirometry one? Okay. I need to name this.
Did you say bring over all the .cars, or are you just picking out one?
I only can, I'm taking, I've stored those files on my C drive. I'm choosing which one I want to put onto this patient.
Oh, I got you. Okay, okay. But if you wanted to, you could just do a control, and it would do three of them.
No, you have to do them one at a time because you have to name the documents and you have to make sure that